Pause abeg, bozo.
Yeah. Yeah. Kill the beats, the flame is lit. I ain't faking shit, I am legit. I make them feel the heat when I speak. And I am from the streets and nothing sweet. Now hold up. Hold up. Yeah. Let me dumb it down to be for dumb niggas to get the pick. Eat over eating, man, that's how the fuck the ghetto be. I hear them hate you do the same when you head of me. Best believe it, I'm the best, give you the best of me. Versatility, I'm like a multi-purpose with the sole purpose of achieving my dreams of getting cheese when I ain't talking mirrors. My nigga, I'm the shit among these fucking assholes. I'm not here to play games, got no time for exos. Yeah, I'm the most disgusting speeder. The blunt get lit up and pull up the syrup. My nigga, I need go up, so pump the cheese up, man. Fuck this shit up, we fucking kill ya, man. You ain't got bars, you bar none. Yeah, and I'm the dopest, bar none. I'm all up a bars like a drunkard. I'm out of this world, when they see me they get starstruck and a tough luck. You want more? Yeah. You want more? Yeah. You want more? I can give you more. You want more? It's your boy in the building. From the bottom up, man, I'm heading to the ceiling. I kill them, they get invited for no reason. I'm a villain, on the microphone, I'm beast thing, you feel me? You know the flame stays lit, cleaning up the sewage, now them niggas ain't shit. My nigga times have changed and y'all ain't shit. I'ma do this till I die, until then I can't quit. I'm nice, really, vibe with me, I'm vibrant. Puffing on it loud and it makes a nigga silent. I'm crazy with it, I'm the guy that is there retarded. And I just got started, I'm aiming at the target. Yeah, you want more?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want more? Check it. Yeah, I'm keeping it low as fuck, so they never know what's up. I get it overdone. I wanna rock the nation now. I wanna be like Hova now. Still young and out, even though I'm growing older now. And I keep it 100 every